Hello, Paul here from AMD Automotive carrying by Sydney. I've got a Porsche 996 convertible that I've just removed the engine out to do some work on the car. So as you can see, this is the actual motor. We're replacing the drive belt. We're going to fix the oil leaks here. Water pump. The water pump here as well is leaking. I've got to split the gearbox, move the gearbox out, and I'm going to replace the rear main seal. Have a look at the rear main seal, make sure it's not leaking. Check the IMS bearing, probably advise the customer to change IMS bearing while the engine is out. Oil separator, clean the intake manifold. A lot of work to do on this. It's not just a plug and play. As you can see, I'm going to replace the diff seal as well. Well, they're out, especially this side here. This one here is already wet, so I'm gonna take this off and put a new diff seal. Much easier when the motor is out, otherwise you gotta remove the, so hard doing the car because you gotta take that flange out to do the job. Yeah, probably advised to change the spark plugs now while it's out. Much easier. Have a look inside here, just in case there's something leaking in there or any broken hoses, plastic hoses. Probably advise him to change the cooler as well, but they're starting to leak now. Getting a bit too old, the oil cooler. But I'll put it down before we do anything. Probably replace some of the vacuum lines because they're getting old. This vent line here, especially this one here. Just gonna go through the whole car slowly and double check and replace what I need to do. Alright. Here's underneath the car. Have a quick look underneath the 996. Probably change the fuel filter as well. The fuel filter is right there. That one there. Looks pretty old to me. Just double check underneath here, probably at the front. I'll take this cover off later. Just double check, but at the moment, looks alright. I'm going to change that as well. I think I've got some of the parts already pre-ordered for this car before it came in. Alright. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.